Hi, I'm JJ. I'm the owner of Automated Ag. We are located in Moses Lake, Washington, and we have about 20 employees. We manufacture machines, for harvest assist machines for the tree fruit industry. And the problems in this industry has been in the past is use of ladders, to have to climb up in trees and harvest fruit. And we developed a machine that carries people safely and efficiently, and puts them at the level they need to be to pick fruit. The labor shortage was really what kind of kicked it off in this area, and for me. And I built other machines for the apple industry, and got to know these guys and see some of the major issues. As I went along and spent more time with these guys out in the field, started to think about ways to potentially be able to put people in a position where they can access the fruit and work in a zone. It was pretty simple. It was the change was the toughest. For people to be able to see and understand that we're essentially doing the same thing. We're just doing it on a motorized platform. We've more or less opened up and made more opportunity for more people to be able to work and save and make money. The machine kind of levels the playing field. Everybody now has the same opportunity to do the job. 7, 8 years ago when we started with it, it was to keep it very simple. Now seems like that we're ready to move on to the next things. So last year we spent time to develop the suction style system, and that's really nice because now we've taken the weight off of the picker. So we went from a ladder to a platform, and now we're looking for ways to make the job just that much easier. And then, like I said, you saw that we're coming with the robot now, and that's kind of the next phase. And I think the suction is going to help bridge the gap from, we went from a ladder to a platform, now to that suction part, and then, down the road it'll be robotic picking. Again, the vision was simple. Let's get guys off ladders. And then poof, all of a sudden, fast forward 8 years and I've got a robot in here. So it'd be pretty crazy to see what happens in the next 8 years. I mean, if we came that far in 8 years from doing something that they've done for 2,000 years, the same to a potential robot in the field picking fruit, what is the next 8 years gonna bring?